I got several messages, about 3 or 4 messages from families saying, thank you, I found out my daughter, my husband was okay and get to a shelter. Actually, I get to count about 8,000 people registered in the app. In my personal life, I just feel, that I've accomplished something, something higher.
How's it going, Rene? I'm Austin from AppSheet Training. It's great to have you on here for the first Creator Spotlight.
Nice to meet you, Austin.
All right. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself, your name, a little background, professional background, and then how you came to find out about AppSheet.
Well, my name is Rene Casana. I'm a systems engineering student, and I have around 3 years of experience in monitoring and evaluation of several projects here in Honduras. I've been in several NGOs, and basically AppSheet helped me to came up with fast ideas to solve problems at work.
Nice. That's really cool. So how about your job role in Honduras?
Well, in my role, I've been using AppSheet to improve, to get that information in a centralized way, or get that information in a uniform way, and at the same time getting all the team involved in that same app.
Let's talk about your app build that you did for helping families find each other during the hurricane season.
Sure. The app was called Rescate HN, helped us to share the information of what was going on. On the first place, people wanted to find their relatives, and several groups was open on Facebook so that they can find their relatives.
Oh, I see. About how many users were using the app?
Actually, I get to count about 8,000 people registered in the app.
Wow.
About 8,000 people was registered by the team. There was a team that gathered in Facebook and WhatsApp, and each one of them just uploaded information. Yeah, I got several messages, about 3 or 4 messages from families saying, thank you, I found out my daughter, my husband was okay and get to a shelter. Wow. Yeah, but I don't know if more people was able to found their relatives there.
Yeah.
But that it accomplished a good purpose. It makes you realize that with the fast development that AppSheet provides, you're capable of providing solutions or came up with anything you want.
All right. So what opportunities did this bring for you, as far as did you get to work with any organizations?
Red Cross International, they organized a meeting and a specific way of working in that context, which they connect the families. They collect the information. They didn't have a fast way. And the app provided that fast way of connecting families. We shared how AppSheet provides that fast way of make a solution for that problem.
How did finding AppSheet and building this app help with your journey and life in general?
Well, in life in general, I feel like I've accomplished a new goal. That it wasn't established before, but I saw the opportunity when I explored the things that AppSheet could do. That became like my north. Always that I have a problem that can be solved with AppSheet, I just go straight in and start building some documents, the database, and that provide me a feeling of security.
Yeah.
Like for in my personal life, I just feel, that I've accomplished something something higher.
What would you tell somebody that's new to the AppSheet platform and wanting to learn more about it? What would your advice be for them?
Well, my advice can be that they should start by using the basics. They should start by the basics, like connecting tables.
Yeah.
And then going to several basic formulas, and then going to advanced formulas, and then to connecting documents, and
Yeah.
don't feel like you are like not advancing, or that don't feel threatened by some of the cool stuff that is hidden behind AppSheet.
Yeah.
That will be the basic message. Don't be scared, explore things, because you're not going to make a mess.
Yeah.
You can wrap everything and start again.
Yep, that's right. Very cool. Well, it was great talking with you, Rene, and getting to learn about your apps and the impact that you're having on so many communities. So, really great conversation.
Thank you very much, Justin.